If you're a home buyer, then you need to check out this gem right now. This exquisite 3-bedroom, 3-full-bath home in the serene Lake Palestine community is an absolute must-see. Picture this: a formal dining room, an open living area, and a kitchen featuring a breakfast nook, granite countertops, and a convenient breakfast bar. Stroll through beautiful hardwood floors that extend through the living area, formal dining room, and office, adding a touch of elegance. Upstairs, the 3rd bedroom offers space for 2 full beds or a second living area, complete with its own full bath for convenience. Sip your morning coffee on the covered front porch, taking in the breathtaking views of Lake Palestine and the exceptional landscaping. The large covered back patio with a breezeway is perfect for outdoor gatherings and relaxation.
And there's more! You get a detached 384 square foot storage building, access to a community boat ramp, and enjoy low HOA fees. But hurry, properties like this don't stay on the market for long. Contact Charlene Hall, your East Texas Realtor today. Don't just dream it, live it. Call now, email, or visit our website to schedule your private tour and make this dream home yours today.